Hey, make sure y'all be good, okay? And make sure you wear your seatbelts when mommy's driving, okay? You understand? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? All right. All right, you be good.
Escuchaste? Say always the
Seatbelt.
Wow.
145. I think we got shots fired at the outlet mall.
Shots fired at the outlet.
I got people running.
Precinct 137.
Get going! Get going! Get moving!
420 on the round. Let's run on in and out.
They're moving further away from me. Go! 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 Keep moving! Get out of here! I'm by Polo Ralph Lauren moving, trying to get to them. They're still shooting.
Precinct.
101, everybody's not on call. Nobody else.
We're getting started right now.
I'm on foot. I need everybody I got. What? Yes! What you got? Are we a mass shooter? Yeah, we got people coming. .145, I believe we got a mass shooter. I got Maxine on the ground. Drop it! Drop it!
Ricky.
I'm passing injured.
Ricky.
I'm moving as fast as I can, trying to get over there.
Everybody's going towards Jackson.
I'm by Tommy Hilfiger. I don't know where he's at. Shot the squad. Alright, actually still going.
Ricky.
Well, this is traffic, dispatch. Somebody shot from the woods, pushing. Around back.
Ricky. North side of the outlet.
Shots fired by police. I got him down. Drop the gun!
Keep going.
Hey, get off the air! I'm over here by Liz. I got him down. Get away from here! Get away from here! Get away! I'm by Sunclass Hut. I'm moving up on him. Who's this behind me? Watch your fire. Watch your fire! I got him down!
We're in front of Denver.
I think so! I'm not hearing any gunshots! Is he down? Yeah. God damn, bro! Got
Now stay your down! Stay your down! Stay your. You good? You got him?
Yeah, you